Hi everyone! Today I'm going to make a simple homemade bread recipe. If you don't have an oven, don't worry. This recipe of bread for you. Stay with me and let's start it. Add in a bowl 1½ cup of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of instant dry yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and half teaspoon of salt. Stir the dry ingredients. Add half cup of warm water, stir a little, then add 2 tablespoons of oil. Knead until it forms a kind of sticky dough like this. Add some oil to a bowl. Cover and let the dough rest for about 1 hour in one place until doubled in size. It's been 1 hour. Divide the dough into 4 pieces and shape into balls. Place on a frying pan. Cover with the lid and let it rest again for about 20 minutes. After that, cook this on the stove or low heat covered with the lid for about 20 minutes. Then carefully flip over and cook for about 15 minutes or until the fix comes out clean from the center. Cooking time will vary greatly depending on your stove and the width and depth of the frying pan. Meanwhile, I prepare the butter topping. We need 3 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of dry garlic, pinch of salt and some parsley. Stir all ingredients together. My bread is done. Spread the butter mixture over the bread. Let them cool down for about 20 minutes. And time to test. This bread is soft, spongy and full of flavor. This bread is perfect for lunch or dinner. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.